welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm hoping that you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Super duper please, please. Not begging, just asking. A little support here. I'm going to do a look with a new palette from Colourpop. It is the Nightmare Before Christmas palette, and it is very cute. It's got a cute little packaging. And the palette looked much better online, I think, than it does in person. It's a little flat. But we'll see how it goes on the eye, you know. And I bet you'd like to see what these look like with some swatches. So let's have some magic swatches. Bam! So it starts here and it goes all the way to here, baby. And some of them didn't swatch that great, but it's okay. Sometimes things perform better on the eye with a brush than with my finger on my arm. And I never put any primer down or anything when I do my swatches. So it's just kind of bare skin, and, you know, I've got concealer and powder on my lid, so that changes how it applies. Let's see what happens from this palette. All right, it's hard to choose a color to start with, but I'm going to start with Meant to Be, this gray color with a fluffy brush. And that's going on pretty good. There's some kick up in the pan, but that's not unexpected. Colourpop is good quality, but it's not fantastic quality. We'll do the same over here, or as close to the same as we can over here. That looks pretty good. And I've got a new blush on today, which I'm really excited about. It is from Trixie Mattel's makeup company, which I really love all of her stuff. And it's called Just a Girl. And that is what it looks like. And I have the medium shade on my cheeks today, and I'm very happy to have this. Little shout out to Trixie Cosmetics. Woo woo. Not that Trixie's watching, because she's a very busy, famous lady. Or drag queen, whatever you want to. She's a she when she's wearing the ladies' clothes. You know what I'm saying? And that's why the lady is a tramp. Boop, 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 boop. So, man, my breathing has been really crappy lately. Because of fall. Because it's fall. And crappy weather happens during fall. And there's a lot of pollen and stuff. We've got some air purifiers going in the apartment now. Let's go into Christmas time here, this hot pink. It's supposed to be a shimmer, I think. Oh yeah. But hopefully the air purifiers will help my breathing. It's an experiment. Can't hurt to have better air. I do live in a suburb of a city. I mean, it's really great where I live, but you know, there's a lot of traffic in the area. It's a very popular part of town. I'm not saying that like, oh, I'm so cool, but it's just where we live. That's looking pretty with that gray, and it's a lot softer than I expected from the pan. So I'm going to try to build it up a little bit. Because that gray just looks kind of dirty. But you guys know that I do my best to pull something off. Because we never know what it's going to look like till we are finished. That is the truth. It's actual. Everything is satisfactual. So I still have my Halloween kitty up because he's, you know, more of a fall cat and a little pumpkin for this transition season from Halloween to Christmas, which would be Thanksgiving. And are you guys already thinking about Thanksgiving? Are you thinking about Thanksgiving? I think we're going to have it with a friend of mine. And this is Dr. something. Dr. Finkelstein is purple. Oh, that's really pretty. That really perks this look up. Super cute. I think I should carry it a little further in. That is super cute. I'm going to go back over here with the Meant to Be up here. It's kind of disappeared. There's much better. There is much better things happening on my eyes. There are much better things happening. And then I'm going to go into, I can't read some of this stuff. To Zero, it's a silver shimmer. I'm going to put that on the inner corner. Ooh, that's nice. That dog is doing a lot of work. Zero was Jack Skellington's little dog, if I remember correctly. Oh, that looks sweet. That looks super sweet. I'm kind of digging this. It's just a simple look. But I feel like I need to darken the outer corner just a little bit. So let us go into, oh shoot, I just got the black all over my thumb. Which is Halloween time. It's a sparkly black. I'm going to dip my little brush that I use for the purple into the black. Just a little. Just a touch. And just put a little dot. And then I will blend it out. That's good. Just a little shadow there to make it pop. And I'm going to do liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have lashes on. Well, not lashes on, but we always have lashes on because they're natural. But we have mascara and eyeliner on. And I think we need to go for a pop of pink for my lip. Something very neat. Let's do a little swatch on my hand. Maybe a little brighter pink. This, yes. Oh, cat's going crazy. You never know what's going to happen. The cats go crazy here. So this is number 120. Artist. That's right, Ruby. We're putting lipstick on. And there we have it. A beautiful look with the Nightmare Before Christmas palette from Colourpop. I'm really digging it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.